Have you ever thought about growing exotic fruits in your backyard? Imagine the freshness, the unparalleled taste, and the sheer joy of cultivating your own garden. There's nothing quite like it. Stay tuned as we explore 5 exotic fruits that you can start growing in your backyard today. First on our list is the intriguing dragon fruit. This exotic fruit boasts a vibrant pink skin and sweet seeded flesh. It thrives in a sunny, well-drained location and can take up to 6 months to a year to harvest. The dragon fruit, a unique addition to your home garden. Next, we have the delicious passion fruit. Known for its vibrant purple shell and sweet tart flesh, this tropical gem thrives in warm, sunny conditions. With patience, in about a year, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest. The passion fruit, a tangy treat from your own backyard. Third on our list is the tropical guava. Renowned for its sweet, musky aroma and unique flavor, guava thrives in well-drained soil and full sun exposure. From planting to harvest, it takes just 2 to 4 years. The guava, a tropical delight you can grow at home. Fourth on the list is the vibrant kiwi. This unique oval-shaped fruit has a fuzzy exterior, but inside lies a brilliant green flesh with tiny edible seeds. Kiwis love a sunny spot and well-drained soil, and they'll reward your care with a harvest in about 4 years. The kiwi, a burst of freshness from your backyard. Last but not least, we have the nutritious pomegranate. This fruit is known for its rich, tart flavor and vibrant ruby red seeds. It thrives in mild, semi-arid climates and takes about 3 to 4 years to start bearing fruit. The pomegranate, a health booster from your own garden. So, there you have it, 5 exotic fruits you can start growing in your backyard today. We've explored the vibrant dragon fruit, the tangy passion fruit, the sweet guava, the zesty kiwi, and the lush pomegranate. Each of these fruits not only adds a splash of color and unique flavor to your table, but also offers a variety of health benefits. Why not challenge yourself and try growing one or all of these fruits at home? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!